Welcome to the training video for how to add agendas and minutes to the website in Silverstripe 3. Once you've logged in to the website, you need to click on Files on the menu. Okay, so what we need to do is get the PDF agenda or minute to the website. Okay, so agendas and minutes go into our document library folder, and under there we've got an agendas folder and a minutes folder. So for this example we'll just do an agenda. So you select agendas, and then you've got a folder for each one of the different committees. Okay, if we need to create a new one, we can just add a new folder in there as well. Okay, so if it's a city development committee meeting, okay, so we're now inside that folder and we can see all the current agendas that have been added there. Okay, so we want to go click on the upload button up the top. Okay, then we're going to go choose files to upload, and we're going to find a PDF sitting on our computer. So for this example I'll just find one of my documents. Okay, so it's not going to be a PDF, but you would find a PDF. We're going to go upload, and you'll see the blue bar comes off, so it says it's uploaded. Okay, if you want you can edit some of the names of it. So if you want to give it a better title in here, you can change that as well, and then just select save. Okay, if not you can just go back to folder, and you should see the new one that we've uploaded in there as well. So you'll see here that if you gave them better names, then it'll make it easier for you to find the document as well. You don't need to change what the actual physical document name is, but the name that appears here you can change as well in that edit screen that you saw before. Okay, so now that we've got the document sitting on the website, we now need to go put in the entry for it to actually appear on this page on the actual website. Okay, so to do that we now want to select on the Documents module on the left hand menu. Okay, and here you'll see all the documents that we have on the website. Okay, so since we're adding a new one, we're going to select Add Document Item. Okay, and we're going to put in the name for this one, so it was 2014 / okay, and it was a council meeting. Then you can put in here a summary if you need to. For agendas and minutes, it's up to you whether you put in a summary of what that meeting was about. Otherwise just leave it blank. Then in your document library you need to select the library that you put it in. Okay, so the library was agendas, and then the document category that you put it in was council agendas. Okay, so you can either just go through the drop down, or if you want you can start typing and it'll do a search. So we then just select council agendas. Okay, at the moment we can't link the file until we save it. Okay, so we want to now select the create button down the bottom. Okay, so you've got the green saved bar at the top saying that it was saved successfully, and now you've got the ability to attach the file that you've already uploaded to the website. Okay, so we don't want you to use upload from your computer, okay, because then it will just put the PDF in the wrong location on the website and just makes the maintenance of looking after the site a lot harder. So we want to go from files, and we want to find that file that we uploaded. Okay, so currently you're sitting in the uploads folder. Okay, and we need to look in the agendas folder. Okay, so we want document library, agendas, and then we want city development. So you select it, and then you can see the file that we uploaded. So you're going to select that and go attach. Okay, and now you'll see that it's come through and it's been attached to that document, and we're going to go save. Okay, so if we had a look and we refreshed the agendas page, you'll see now that that meeting has been added onto the agendas, and if someone clicked on it, it would open that document that you've uploaded. Okay, if you got the text wrong or the date wrong or anything like that, or you linked it to the wrong document, okay, because you've still got it open, you can just edit it. Otherwise you'd come back into documents. Okay, and because there's a whole lot of documents here, you need to find that specific one that you're after, so it might be easier to do a search. So if you know it's in a council agenda, you might want to just type in council and then click on apply filter, and it'll do a search on the name for anything that's got council in it. Okay, so it's come back with all the ones that have council in it, so 19 results. Okay, and there's the one that we want to edit. So we're going to select the edit button. Okay, and that one was a extraordinary council meeting, so that's the change we wanted to make. Okay, if you had the wrong document, okay, you can either removing it just unlinks the document and leaves it still sitting on the server. If you click delete from files, it will delete that whole document from the website as well, so anything else that was linking to it will now be broken. Okay, so you got to be careful to know, is this document just linked to here, or do other pages in the website link to this document as well? So most of the time it's safer to do remove, unless you know that it is only linked to this one document. Okay, so you would just go remove, and then it would give you the ability to upload, to attach the new document that you've put in there as well. So once you've made that change, just select save. Okay, and if we had a look at that page again, it should now say extraordinary council meeting. Okay, so that's how you add an agenda or a minutes, and then how you edit one as well. If you're still having any trouble after watching this video, just contact the Napier City Council's web developer and he'll help you with any of your questions. Thank you.